So hello everyone. So in this video we are going to understand what extra section of composer.json means, what this Drupal scaffolding means, and how to install. First, how does Drupal knows where to install the contributed modules? How does it know that it has to install the contributed modules, your modules contrib directory, or themes to theme directory, or profiles to profiles directory? And if we want to download the modules to any other directory other than this directory, how to do that? So we are going to learn that in this video. So access section of compose.json is used for various purposes. It is used for defining the location and how to deal with Drupal scaffold files. Scaffolding files are the files. Let me tell you with the help of a project which I have downloaded fresh. So I mean the tar file, not through composer. So this has these files: edit, git config, and update.php, index.php. So these files are scaffolding files. So we can decide through the composer if there is an update, and if we want to reflect those updates when if we are running composer update or composer install. So we want to reflect the update in those files. We can decide, and also we can decide the location for those files through this section, Drupal scaffolding. So this is telling that the my files will reside in this folder, web folder, which is webhook. So you can see the files over here. Now let me go back to the now coming on to the installer path package. So consider a scenario and think why whenever we run composer require, why it downloads the packages or modules or themes. The modules, let's start with modules, in this directory only. So composer knows where to install the modules, the code, libraries and themes from installer path section. You can see that for if the type of the package or library is Drupal module, it will install the Drupal module, contributed module inside this directory, and it has downloaded some modules into this directory. Now let's say if I want to change this directory to something else, let's change it to um, something new directory, new location. So it must install the new modules to this location instead of the contrib module slash contrib slash module slash contrib location. So it must now install to web modules new location. So let's run. Require a module called very famous module paragraph. Okay, I missed S. It has downloaded few modules for me. Now let's see where it has downloaded those modules. So you can see it has now downloaded into web modules, not inside contrib. It has downloaded into the new location called new location directory. So this is where we tell where to install our packages depending on the type of the package. If it is contributed module, library, contributed theme, or custom module or custom library, we can define the path here.